Watch out. Windows.
Nitro placed.
Oh, he's hacking hardcore. Well, that's okay.
Wait.
On your right. Still there. Or not. He's coming up the window. Shoot him.
What the hell?
He's hacking. Hacking. Yeah. Oh, fuck. He's right there at the window, bottom right hand corner.
Friendly, last operator
left.
standing.
Window.
One more. Same place.
Nope, same place, yep.
Laid a nest.
Doorway. Ebola on your left.
I hear you,
Doorway.
nigga.
No, you don't. You have a shitty mic. He's prone. Here he comes,
Someone just went to the right.
Left side.
Op 4, last
You're
op
right.
standing.
In the window.
Window.
He's watching the window. Don't ping. Yeah, don't get shot.
Babes in position.
Just wait.
Yeah, just wait it out. Oh, you're by yourself. Wait till he comes in, because he can't fucking, like, automatic you. Alright, he moved. He's not at the window anymore.
Nest in position.
He's roof now, isn't he?
Nope. He's in the hallway, where he killed the first guy, planting that shit on the wall. He's still there. He's watching that doorway on that hallway. Or he's in that hallway watching the door. He's still there. Don't go through that door on your right. He's gonna have an angle on you. You're kind of fucked because you went outside the room. So bolt through. Just run through. Just run. He can't shoot you instantly. Dude, you're gonna get shot.
Just shh. Just let him
Op 4 is
play.
defusing a bomb.
No.
You need to disable their diffuser.
You went back out, I think.
Fuse that shit. Oh, he's gonna watch the window.
Located the
That's smart.
diffuser. Destroy it.
He's coming behind you.
All friendlies were eliminated.
Dude, I hit him in the
Failure.
fucking head with my rifle. I don't know how he's not dead. Look,
Let's watch.
that was all head that I just hit him, and I shot him before he shot me. I don't understand.
Dude, we know hackers. That guy's a hacker. Yeah.
Nah, I don't think they're. I'm waiting before I call hacks. I'm not.
Why don't we just me and Star together, and then you guys do whatever the fuck you want, because we just work good.
Fuck you and Star. Bunch of bitch waffles.
Fucking
taught-
Ebola.
I taught Tammy everything he knows.
Need to use your drone to locate a bomb.
Taught my girl Tammy everything she knows.
That bitch. You loyal?
Drone has located a bomb. Your drone has found a bomb.
Nothing to see here
10
except some old
seconds
dirty
before
sneakers.
insertion. 5 seconds to insertion. The diffuser has been secured. You found a bomb. Make your way to its location and defuse it.
One up.
Okay, I'm going up. I'm going up. I'm going up to B right now.
Hustle up.
I'm coming.
I got C4 pulled. I got C4.
Diffuser is online and active.
Hit the camera. Hit that camera.
There's a guy out there.
Op 4 last operator standing.
Nice.
Shit.
Op 4 eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
He came around the corner with a shotgun, but he was pointed at the window. I was so worried. I didn't know he was doing.
Yeah, where was he looking?
I think you blinded him before you died, like right before you died.
Nah, I think his ESP broke right at the last second.
Full of shit.
Dude, when did EMP recruit you? You scream after more than they do.
Shit. If you're with people like that all the time, it's like, God,
Yeah,
if
dude.
anybody beats me, hacks. Yeah, but Zed used Brig, fix it. Like, yeah, but Zed also used to didn't cut himself at night. But when he started playing the EMP, you gotta
Protect the bombs.
Alright, reinforce this room, please. That's why Eco died.
no
Not at all.
challenge.
Because it's the easiest thing to defend.
Don't listen to.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds left.
Killed so many drones.
Bomb locations are secure.
Shield is up.
They came in construction this time.
Swapping that!
Yeah, okay, so he might not have walls. I'm just throwing it out there.
Are you sure they didn't see your feet?
No, because I was laying around the corner, and he ran up to the door, and he stopped, and then he waited, and as soon as I turned, then he started shooting, just randomly spraying into the room. Well, it's possible,
Who's the one that killed you? NFG what?
Franklin.
Unrolling razor wire.
We'll just wait and see. They're in the other room right now. I'm in another building.
I didn't mean to kill anybody, but whatever. Star on your left. Holy shit. Ceiling in here, I'm breaking. Yep, they're on the third floor.
Nice.
Same
What?
fucking guy. Same fucking guy. Did someone shoot me on my team?
Reloading.
I'm running down the stairs. Never mind. There you go.
Friendly's victorious.
Dude, he
Hostiles
tunnel
eliminated.
visioned on that shit.
What was he going for me?
Yeah, dude, look.
Yeah, dude. It's the gold skin, man. That's why I was able to get those 3 kills right there.
Oh, yeah.
That gold skin. Dude, it's racist. We've talked about this, Tammy. You can't say that.
God damn it.
I'm black.
I'm black. That doesn't change where I grew up.
We need to locate a bomb.
I think they're the same place they were last time, upstairs.
Really? One already ran down map room, man. Holy hell.
Drone has located a bomb.
See if somebody can watch the crossway. See if they go into the other building.
Tango's in sight, 2nd floor.
Insertion in 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Window.
The diffuser
Window when we
is now
spawn, careful.
secured. Proceed
Try to
to
bust it
bomb's
out.
location and defuse it.
Swapping mags!
Where did we just hear him bust a window out? It's the same rooms they were in last time.
Deploying drone.
Face, you've got it this time, by the way. The diffuser.
There's one here.
Located the bomb.
Walkway. That window's open.
There's one there. There's one there.
There's one up here in the roof, lights. I'm pretty sure I was hearing bust out the door. Okay, no, he's not.
Dude, there's one in the hallway. We have no one in there. Me and Tammy are in the room.
Op 4
I don't
last
understand how
operator
me and you
standing.
can go in the room and we had no one watching our back.
Here, take this.
Last one's in the connector. Last one's in connector.
Go, planet, planet, planet.
Last one's connector for sure. That's where he killed me from.
Diffuser is active. Protected at all
Stairs,
costs.
stairs.
He's outside on the roof. Yeah, Tammy.
Op 4 eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
Could you use your signature C4 move, but whatever.
Signature C4 move.
Since you like blowing people up.
What?
You wouldn't get it. Only cool people know what I'm getting.
No one knows what you're getting. Captain America confirmed. That's the infamous Bird.Person. I saw him on Reddit.
Secure the bombs.
I'm just gonna keep saying shit until you change
Here.
your name from Tammy. Because Tammy's
Outside
retarded.
Be advised, Op 4 has found a bomb.
Look, look, look. There you go, bro.
Device placed.
10 seconds left.
No, dude, I know what I was doing the whole time.
5 seconds to insertion. Op 4 has located a bomb. Get
Me.
ready to engage.
Construction.
Okay, target.
Make him paranoid. Surprised how much basic technology works.
I'm calling the Reddit police right now.
Security. Security.
ADS deployed and ready to go.
He was literally stomping the yard up that wall right there.
You can stop worrying.
Woo! That was a grenade through that window.
Oh my god! Star!
That wasn't me.
I know. I thought you were being rude.
One Op 4 remaining.
This
Dude,
window's
perfect
blocked!
coordination.
Op 4 eliminated.
Ebola for the
Mission
win.
successful.
Hey, Ebola sucks, man.
Look at this hacks, look at this hacks.
Dude. Pretty close game, pretty fair.
God, face, I just want to kill you.